Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Alright, I know that one of the hardest part ng strategy how to get your ex back is just to stop panicking. Because panicking is something that destroys everything. Kapag kasi nagpanic ka, you tend to overthink And the way you overthink, you will formalize a lot of strategies. And once you started formalizing a lot of strategies, doon na magsisipasok yung gawin ko kaya yung ganito, gawin ko kaya yung ganito, gawin ko kaya yung ganun, gawin ko kaya yung ganun. And you have plenty of options na how to get your ex back. Because of that panicking thing na nangyayari sa'yo, inside of you, na nararamdaman mo, na-feel mo na nagpo-pull away na yung ex mo. And you feel that much. And, or yung kapartner mo, nagpo-pull away na, lumalayo na sa'yo. And because of that feeling, you cannot stop yourself creating strategies that you think na mag-work out. Nagkakaroon ka na ng list na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you don't even realize na you are playing too much. You are playing games too much. To the point na nagiging obsessed, passionate, at kinakain na ng mind games yung oras mo. Just how to get your ex back. You are thinking about what went wrong, why your ex pulled away, and everything about it. Gulong-gulo ka na, sirang-sira na yung kaisipan mo. And you cannot even do your thing. And the very reason why na hindi nagiging effective ang pag-formalize ng maraming strategies ay dahil nalilimutan mo yata na you cannot get your ex back using your mind games. That won't happen. If you think that the more you become smarter, the more you get your ex, the more you become more informative, the more you can get your ex, the more you learn a lot of ways, strategies, diskarte, the more that you can get your ex. And I will tell you the truth. It's no. I've been with a lot of clients and there are a lot of strategies na nasabi na sa akin ng mga kliyente ko na this is the formula, this is the way, this is how it works. But no, in the end, every strategies, every mind games don't work. If you want to get your ex back immediately, you need to stop using your brain to formalize thousands of strategies just to get your ex back. Yung iba gumagawa pa ng dami account, yung iba pinag-aaralan yung buhay ng ex nila, yung iba gumagawa ng ganito, ng ganyan, ng ganon. You will become more and more frustrated about that. Playing too much doesn't help you at all. Instead of playing too much, why don't you just stay kung saan ka magiging masaya? And that is the most attractive thing that you can do. A lot of clients asking me, Coach, ano yung strategy? Coach, ano yung strategy? Minsan wala naman talagang strategy All you just need to do is just to become happy. All you need to do is just to have a commitment to become more and more happier than ever. Being the happiest person during the breakup thing. I know it's hard, but that's the challenge. You want to get your ex back. Do you want to attract her back sa life mo? Gusto mo ma-attract yung ex mo. And then just expand. Extend, dominate, just be happy. I know it's hard because you are thinking, how can I be happy if ganito ang nangyari, ganyan yung nangyari. Kaya nga nakikinig ka ng advice ko ngayon kasi right this moment, I'm not going to give you a bullshit advice or any bullshit strategies. No, I'm not. If you can become happy, you will become satisfied with yourself. And the attraction will increase. That's how it works. Kung gusto mo ng tubig sa ilalim ng lupa, maghukay ka. Hindi uubra yung mga kung ano-anong strategy na mabababaw para lamang magkaroon ka ng tubig. Maghukay ka mula sa kailaliman. At once na nag-okay ka, may makikita at makikita ka rin tubig pagdating mo sa ilalim. So what is my very point of view? If you can just become happy, you will become confident. And when you become confident, then that will be the time that you can get yourself back. And I can guarantee you, the attraction level will increase into something like never before. It is the genuine happiness that I'm asking you to do. If you can just be happy, if you can just have genuine happiness outside of this thing na feeling mo kasi ngayon hindi ka magiging masaya kapag di kayo nagbalikan ng ex mo eh. Yan yung nag-hold back sa'yo just to become more attractive. Nabubuli ka ng sitwasyon. Hindi ka makaangat. You cannot show independence. You cannot show beauty of your personality. But if you can just show the beauty of personality, then everything, it will turn the table favorably on your side. And you just need to believe me here. Because Philippine Dating Coach exists. Etong YouTube video na to, nag-exist na to. 4 years na yata itong channel ko na to, or magpa 5 years na. And you know what? We've been with a lot of strategies. And those things don't help at all. Alam nyo kung ano yung pinakamalaking healthy at nakakatulong sa mga client ko. If they become happy, if they will do their thing, if they will choose happiness and ignore this thing, they become better and better. They can get their ex back. And why? That's because of the attraction level that they have. Pinapakita nila na no one can disturb them. And I can definitely advise you can do that thing. But if still there's a question in your head how to do it, what to do, or how can I do it, just give us a message, Philippine Dating Coach. Let's just have one-on-one coaching. Thanks for watching.